Those containers were meant to ship goods, but it seems their final delivery will be this bridge. They say never stand under trees in a storm, and these people found out why.
Damn! Holy mec! On peut pas sortir live! Non, 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 non! Là, l'électricité a coupé! C'est clair! God damn, dude. Oh, yeah!
This is spring in the French Alps. Sunlight makes the snow heavy and wet, sending it rushing down the slope. In March 2025, thousands of sardines washed up on a beach in India. Scientists revealed that this rare phenomenon was triggered by a shift in water temperature. Just when you think nature has no more surprises, groundwater starts seeping through rotting trees.
Alguém já viu isso, tal da Itaúba?
Slow-mo ocean waves hit different. The Gray Glacier is one of Chile's most iconic natural wonders. Tourists come on cruise ships to witness its ancient ice and watch as massive chunks break off and crash into the water with a thunderous roar.
Yes, ist nah! Okay, jetzt wieder eine riesen Welle knust, Mann.
Residents of northern Italy felt like they were in a disaster movie. From above, the massive rock fragments that broke off the mountain were striking. One destroyed a 300-year-old barn, while another barely missed a house.
Whoa. Oh, Jesus.
Beautiful vacation spots offer more than just clear waters and sandy beaches. They come with their own natural challenges. Aerial view of a tidal bore on the Kiantang River, a phenomenon in which the leading edge of the incoming tide forms a wave of water that travels up a river. These images show the collapse of a rock mine in India. Marine Room is a unique seaside restaurant in California, where it's hard not to shudder as waves crash against the windows. Here's recent footage from Poland, 2024. A town was flooded. It wasn't heavy rain, but a dam failure. The reservoir couldn't handle the fast-moving water flow. The water eroded the embankment, and streams flooded nearby settlements. As the water receded, the devastating aftermath of nature's fury was clear. A frozen cave in Iceland that glows with ambient light. Unstoppable rain in Southern California caused several landslides, ultimately blocking crucial roads. Here's how the small Canadian town of Canmore prepared for flooding. A local creek overflowed, and the rushing water eroded the ground, reaching the foundations of houses. The town was completely cut off for days. No one could enter or leave. After that, he was probably terrified to get back on board. In May 2021, a huge landslide hit a mine in Utah as cracks in the rock spread, causing tons of earth to collapse. Work was underway near a flooded quarry, but soil erosion was overlooked, causing the entire quarry to burst open in a powerful surge. This footage was filmed in Batumi, Georgia, where people gathered to watch the storm. But the experience turned out to be even more immersive than they anticipated. Can surprise you, not just in rugged mountains, but even on seemingly harmless hills. The camera captures only a fraction of the waves' scale. Even seasoned sailors couldn't stay calm in these conditions. Residents of this Russian town witnessed nature's raw power as a mudslide swept away an entire bridge.
这样看见了吗？或者是塌房啊。
That is so scary. That is so. And listen to that pour over the mountain and come.
We often see fire as destructive, but water can be just as devastating, sometimes even more.
Đây là kìm. Bằng sao, kita đâu. Không hạ không tay à.
After a 7.3 magnitude earthquake in Taiwan, a huge landslide buried the highway in dust. The truck was in the path of a landslide, triggered by a heavy rainstorm. The vehicle was helpless. The Wulipo National Nature Reserve is home to these unique shard-like mountains. An elephant saw a gazelle drowning.
Y el elefante la quiere ayudar, miren, chicas. Miren, 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 miren. Ah. ¡Vamos! ¡Vamos! ¡Lo logró! ¡Lo logró! ¡Bravo! ¡Un aplauso!
Nature is wilder and kinder than we think.
Hey guys, back away a little bit in case that breaks.
Vlog.
This is how the possum moms carry their babies. Unusual weather conditions and light refraction created a rare natural phenomenon in China. Witnesses of the rainbow clouds described them as resembling a dragon's head and a phoenix's tail. In 2020, a truly massive flood struck Uzbekistan when a reservoir breached. Starling murmuration around the cows in the field. Tongtianluo Cave, also known as the Eye of the Earth, is a 97-meter-deep karst sinkhole.
Hey, ski, 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 ski. It's okay, buddy.
In 2017, a mega tsunami hit the coast of Greenland. Nature's wrath unleashed a wave cresting at 90 meters. By the time it reached a small village, it stood at 10 meters. But that was enough to wash away most of it. The cause? An equally massive landslide. A tremendous amount of rocks slid into the water, triggering the tsunami. An amazing starling murmuration at Potterick Car Nature Reserve. A rooftop pool may sound like a dream, but it's a different story when an earthquake strikes.
โอ้ยแผ่นดินไหวเนี่ยดูดิเฮ้ยโอ้โหโอ้โหน้ำกระจายเลยอะคิดว่าหน้ามืด
Intense iridescent phenomenon near Mount Budo, Narathiwat Province, Thailand. Simply breathtaking. India's Ganges River is not just wide, but also extremely powerful. The waves here can swell in ways you won't find in every sea. Water is the most stubborn element. If it wants to get through, nothing can stop it. This white shark is one of the largest ever recorded. I'm no expert, but it feels like this river could use a little more of itself. Terrifying moment as tourists run for their lives during a surprise eruption on Mt. Etna. Check out this cool courtship display of a male Himalayan monal. This is what it's like when sea lions swarm you on a dive. Markhor is the largest wild goat on Earth, with spiral horns that look forged by a fantasy blacksmith, native to the rugged heights of Central and South Asia. Mother otters float on their backs with their pups on their bellies, so they can nap together in the water. Amazing footage of a huge white shark, over 3 meters long, cruising among surfers near Robberg in Plettenberg Bay, South Africa. Watching this bird carefully craft its nest, a true testament to nature's intricate beauty and dedication. Ever wondered what 64,000 green sea turtles look like?
This is hilarious.
Can head it.
Gonna let Bodie throw one?
Might pop it, but kind of.